I welcome all of you once again to my class. My name is Jewel and today I am going to take the continuation of lesson 2. This is of class 5. I am dealing with ICSE syllabus Cordoba publications. Please like, share and please subscribe to my channel if you like to hear my further chapters from this textbook. Now let's go to the exercise part of this lesson. Read these words aloud. Frantic, revered, surgical, liquorize, abscess, cesarean. Answer orally. Who was Susruda? Susruda was a great surgeon and had commendable medical knowledge, now recognized as the father of surgery all over the world. Take the correct answer in each. Susruda cleaned the stranger's face and ears with the extract of a medicinal plant. Susruda Samhita was translated into Arabic. Number 3. Dash are named after the animals or birds they resemble in shape. That is surgical instruments. Now fill in the blanks. Susruda learned surgery and medicine from Divodasa Dhanvantari. Number 2. Blood was flowing down from the stranger's earlobe. Susruda used a knife hand forceps to carve out a strip of flesh from the stranger's cheek. Number 4. Susruda is the main author of Susruda Samhita. Now read and answer the following questions. How did Susruda initiate the earlobe surgery? Susruda led the stranger to a neat and clean room with surgical instruments on its wall. Unfolding a mattress, he asked them to sit on it. After taking off his robe and washing his face with water and the juice of a medicinal plant, Susruda then offered the stranger a mug of wine and began preparing for the operation. Number 2. What did Susruda do with the large leaf of the creeper which was brought from the garden? Susruda mentioned the size of the stranger's earlobe with the large leaf of the creeper which was brought from the garden. Number 3. Write the instructions that you think were given to the stranger after being treated by Susruda. The stranger was given the instructions on what to do and what not to, and a list of medicines and herbs he has to take and apply regularly. He was also asked to come back after 2 weeks to be examined. Number 4. Write a note on Susruda Samhita. Susruda Samhita indicates that India was far ahead of the rest of the world in medical knowledge. It mentioned various methods of cure and correction, including reconstruction of a nose. It is observed that the first mention of leprosy is described in it. It is one of the most important treatises on medicine and addresses all aspects of medicine and surgery. Number 5. What did Susruda suggest to the students of human surgery? Susruda was an excellent teacher. He told his pupils that one could become a good physician only if one knew both theory and practice. He advised his pupils to use carcasses and models for practicing surgery. Now next is reference to context. Read the sentence and answer the questions that follow. A tragedy has befallen me and I am in great pain and anguish. Who said this and to whom? That is, the stranger said this to Susruda. B. What was the tragedy that had occurred? The stranger had injured his earlobe. Number C. Did the listener help the speaker? Yes. Susruda helped the stranger. D. What happened next? Susruda took the stranger to a room to perform the surgery. Now, next is Hott's question. Even 26 centuries ago, Susruda was really ahead of his time. What do you learn from him? Susruda was a great surgeon as he had a wonderful medical knowledge. His learning and understanding in his field of science was so deep and clear that he excelled as a surgeon and known as the father of plastic surgery. We should learn to be focused and determined in whatever we do in order to become more and more confident. Learning today is far more convenient. Technology is advanced. The present scenario is quite conducive for us to learn more. We can also excel in anything if we have interest in it and if we are focused as well. Next is read after the expert the sound of m as in match, map, make, meal, metal, might, moral, mother, much, magic, meaning, mental, memory. Next is pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. Pronouns which are used in place of names of persons, place, animals and things are called personal pronouns. So personal pronouns means pronouns which are used in the place of the names of the person, place or animal and things are called personal pronoun. Example, the stranger knocked at the door. Here he is the personal pronoun. He was badly injured. Pronouns used to refer to nouns that have been used earlier in the same sentence are called relative pronouns. Example, Susruta was the person who first performed the plastic surgery. Pronouns that are used to stress upon or emphasize something or someone are called emphatic pronouns. Such pronouns always follow nouns or pronouns. Example, he himself treated the patient. Pronouns used when the subject and the object of a sentence are the same are called reflexive pronoun. So reflexive pronoun means the subject and the object of the sentence will be the same. Example, Tara spoke to herself. That is the subject and the object is the same. Circle the pronouns in the following sentence and write in your notebook whether they are reflexive or emphatic. Father himself carried the box. That is emphatic. Himself is the, you have to circle himself. It is emphatic pronoun. Number 2. Reena talked to herself. It is reflexive pronoun. Number 3. Amir himself confused about the time. Here himself is the pronoun and what it is emphatic pronoun. Number 4. Gaurav likes to cook himself. Here himself is the pronoun. It is reflexive pronoun. Number 5. Anita only talks about herself. It is herself is the pronoun here. It is a reflexive pronoun. Rani herself solved this difficult sum. So here herself is the pronoun. It is an emphatic pronoun. Now fill in the blanks with personal pronouns from the help box. Help box is given. I gifted them a beautiful painting. Number 2. The mouse ran away with cheese. It was hungry. Number 3. We are playing cricket. Number 4. Sraya is fond of dolls. She has 10 dolls. Number 5. Sana and Roma are friends. They play together. Number 6. This is my brother. He is very naughty. Now tick the correct relative pronoun to complete the following sentence. The girl who ran fast is my cousin. Number 2. This is the team whose score is the highest. Number 3. There was a pride of lions which became the center of attraction at the zoo. Number 4. The movie that I saw yesterday was very boring. Number 5. This is the man whose car was stolen. Now, strong and weak verbs. Read the given sentence. Susruta treated the patient. Here the verb in bold is a weak verb. So treated is a weak verb. A verb that forms its past tense by adding ed, d or t to the present tense with or without a change in the vowel sound is called a weak verb. Present tense, past tense. Appear, appeared. Share, shared. Learn, learned. Feel, felt. Now read the sentence. The stranger came to Susruta. Here the word in bold is a strong verb. A verb that forms its past tense by a change in the main vowel of the present is called a strong verb. Present tense and past tense. Give, gave. Know, knew. Write the past tense form of the following verbs and also identify whether they are strong or weak verbs. Peel, it is peeled. So, cancel, cancelled, ride, rode, blame, blamed, wake, woke, happen, happened, hang, hanged, sing, sang. Now identify whether the highlighted verbs are strong or weak verbs. I stayed with my grandfather for 1 week. It is a weak verb. Stayed is a weak verb. Number 2. Suhana fell off from the bicycle. A fell off is a strong verb. Number 3. They waited for you for almost an hour. Waited is a weak verb. Rashi sang a beautiful song at the party. A sang is a strong verb. The dog leapt over the fence. A leapt is a weak verb. Now next is suitable words. Choose suitable words from the given boxes and fill in the blanks. Delhi is famous for its historical monuments. Number 2. Ram told me that he has planned a trip for the holidays. Number 3. I want to stay at home and bake a cake. Number 4. Akash stayed in the resort on top of the hill for a week. Number 5. My younger sister watches cartoon movies every Saturday. Next is jumbled words. Form words from the mixed letters given in the help box and fill in the blanks. One is done for you. The first letter of each word is given. I caught a glimpse of my favorite writer. Number 2. She had worked tremendously hard for the exam. Number 3. I have a new companion to help me. Number 4. I was anxious to meet the chairman for the interview. Number 5. Her behavior is very childish. Number 6. She was hiding a secret. Then, I hope you all understood this grammar section. Please like, share and please subscribe to my channel. And please send your comments. And please, I know most of you are watching my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Only then you will get notification. Okay children, I'll meet you in the next class. Until then, bye.